something I did not like the way you move. I can try but I can't hide it from you. 'Cause I